Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of mathematics is the base and height of a triangle. So, important topic. This is actually a trigonometry portion. So, triangle, area of triangle, base, height, likewise Pythagoras theorem. These all things are related to this topic. So concentrate yourself. This is the simple as well as technical topic. The points and concepts for you people to understand are: a triangle has three sides and three angles. Look, 1, 2, 3, and these are three angles. So any triangle has three sides and three angles. Any side of the triangle can be the base of the triangle. So this is not compulsory. This is not specific for any one of the side. That side can be the base. Any side of the triangle can be the base. Next point is the height of the triangle is always perpendicular to its base. Yes, this is the condition. So if you are calling that this is the base, so then this will be the height, because that is actually perpendicular to this base. If this is base, this will be height because this is perpendicular to it. If this is base, look now, this blue portion is a triangle, not this part. If this is the base, this side will not be the perpendicular because this is not perpendicular to the base. This is the height because this is the perpendicular to the base. So this is not the height. This will be the height. The next thing to be noted is the base is always one of the sides of the triangle, but the height does not necessarily have to be. The base and the corresponding height of each triangle are shown below. So the thing that should be remembered is, if one side is declared as a base, then the height should be perpendicular to that base. This is conditional. So look at some examples now. If this is base, then this will be the height, not this one, because these sides are not perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. So this is the height now. If this side is base, then this is the height that is perpendicular to the base. If this is the base, this should be the height because this is perpendicular to base. If this is the base, this should be the height. If this is the base, look now, this is the perpendicular because we will extend this side and this side will be perpendicular to the base. So this is the height of this base. Likewise, if this is the base, then we should extend this side and this will be perpendicular to the base. So this will be called height of the base. So these are some bases and their corresponding heights. Here is a question. The question is, in triangle ABC, this is the triangle. If the base is AB, then the height is. The point is, if one side is base, the height will be perpendicular to that side. So look, if base is AB, so here is AB, then CP will be called the height. So the answer is CP. In B part, if the base is BC, look here now, this is BC, then the height is, so this should be the height, that is AQ, because this is perpendicular to this base. So the answer is AQ. Another question is here, in triangle ABC, here is blue portion is called triangle. So a triangle is ABC. If the base is AB, then the height is, so the base is AB. This is the base. So we will extend the base. So this is the side which is perpendicular to this side. So this side is extended. So this is the side which is perpendicular to this side. So CR is the height of AB. So here is AB, answer of A part. In B part, if the base is BC, so here is BC. So this is the side which is perpendicular to BC, that is AQ is the height of BC. So B part answer is AQ. C part, if the base is AC, so here is AC. So AC side will be extended. So this is the side which is perpendicular to AC. So BP is the height of AC. So the answer is BP. Here are some questions. Name the height of each of the following triangles given its base. So in A part, this is the base given. So AD is the perpendicular to this side. So AD will be the height. So AD is the answer. In B part, AC is given the base. This side DB is perpendicular to the base. So DB is the height. In C part, this is the base. So this side CF is perpendicular to the base. So CF is the height. In this part, D part, this is called the base. So we will extend it, and this side, this length is AE is perpendicular to the base. So AE is the height. So A is the answer. Here is the reverse question of the previous one. The statement of the question is name the base of each of the following triangles given its height. Now height is given and base is the requirement. So if this is the height, look at this. This is perpendicular to this side. So BC is the base. In this question, B part, this is the height. This is the height. Okay, because this is equal to this one, so this is the height. So this CE will be the base. So CE will be the base. In this part, if this is height, so this is actually perpendicular to this side. Actually unbroken lines are is actually the triangle. So if this is the height, so CD will be the base. In this question, D part, if this is the height, so then this side AB will be the base because this is perpendicular to AB. So this is the question.